YouTube live stream, Robotech factory tour. Opening scene, Rick Grimes, rugged and charismatic as ever, stands in front of a sleek, futuristic factory. Behind him, the Real Dial Pro Squad is hyped up, ready to explore. The camera pans to reveal a massive banner that reads, "Welcome to Tupa Tech Industries, the future of Robotech manufacturing." Alright folks, welcome to the future. I'm Rick Grimes, your project manager, and this is my Real Dial Pro Squad. We're here at Tupa Tech Industries, the most advanced Robotech manufacturing facility in Madripoor. And let me tell ya, this place is gonna blow your minds. But first, let me introduce the squad. Say hello, team. The squad steps forward, each member introducing themselves with Daryl, the closer Dixon. Daryl Dixon here. I'm the guy who gets the deals done. If there's a property owner in Madripoor, I'll find him and I'll close him. Maggie Ree. I'm all about building relationships and making sure everyone walks away happy, except maybe the competition. Eugene Porter. I'm the numbers guy. If it's got a cap rate, a DSCR, or an IRR, I've crunched it. Carol the Hospelletier. I'm the one who gets creative when the deals get tough. No property owner can resist my charm or my persistence. And I'm Rick Grimes, the guy who keeps this team moving forward. Our mission? Build a robust pipeline of light industrial property owners in Madripoor with 5+ portfolios. We're talking about converting 20+% of their vacancy into deployable Robotech manufacturing cells. Think Japanese efficiency meets Madripoor hustle. Now let's meet the brains behind this operation. The camera cuts to a sharply dressed CEO walking toward the group. Welcome, Rick and the Real Dial Pro Squad. I'm Ayara Novaes, CEO of Tupa Tech Industries, named after Ayara, the goddess of waters and dreams in Brazilian mythology. And let me tell you, we're making dreams come true here. Our venture capital partners, Tupa Ventures and Jossi Capital, have helped us build this state-of-the-art facility. Now, let's show you around. The group starts walking through the factory. The camera captures rows of robotic arms assembling sleek, futuristic VF4 Lightning variable fighters. Alright, team, this is what we're selling. These VF4 Lightning variable fighters are the future of manufacturing. Customizable, efficient, and built right here in Madripoor. Our job is to find the property owners who can house these bad boys. Maggie, what do you think? I'm thinking we need to target owners with 49,000+ square feet of space. That's the sweet spot for these manufacturing cells, and with a 13% market vacancy rate, there's plenty of opportunity. Exactly. And with a cap rate of 10% and a DSCR of 2.24, these properties are solid investments. We just need to find the right buyers. The group stops at a workstation where a technician is customizing a VF4 Lightning variable fighter on a Tesla-like website interface. Check this out. You can customize your own VF4 Lightning right here. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, even the cup holders if you want. It's like building your dream car, but for Robotech. Cup holders? Sold. But seriously, this is what we're pitching to property owners. Imagine their vacant spaces filled with these customizable manufacturing cells. It's a win-win. The group moves to a testing area where a VF4 Lightning variable fighter is being put through its paces. The fighter transforms from a sleek jet to a humanoid robot, then back again. That's what I'm talking about. This thing's got more moves than a walker in a shopping mall. Property owners are going to eat this up. Exactly, and that's where we come in. Our goal is to generate 2 seller leads a day, submit 1 offer, and set 1 appointment. By the end of the year, we'll have 520 leads, 260 offers, and a pipeline that's the envy of Madripoor. And if we scale up to 8 leads and 4 offers a day, we're looking at $1 million year. The camera cuts to a whiteboard where Rick outlines the team's strategy. Here's the plan. Lead generation. 2 seller leads a day from light industrial property owners with 5+ portfolios. Offers. 1 legitimate buyer offered daily. Appointments. 1 face-to-face meeting daily. We're building a VIP buyer list of seasoned investors who own at least 2 properties and actively purchase 1 annually. We'll use platforms like CoStar and Reonomy to find them. And remember, it's not about the number of dials, it's about the results. The group gathers around a table with laptops, ready to start dialing. All right, team, let's get to work. Madripoor's Robotech future starts with us. And remember, we're not just selling properties, we're building the future. Let's make it happen. The camera pans out as the team starts dialing, with the factory humming in the background. The screen fades to the Tupatech Industries logo and the tagline, "Customize your future, build it in Madripoor." End script.